The first word for today is life. Hi everyone. Ndewonu Igbo ndị ọma. Ọ bụ nwanne unu nwanyị Adukwu, and welcome to my Igbo lesson class where I teach Igbo in the most easiest and funful way. In our today's lesson, we are going to learn some Igbo vocabularies that you may be interested to know or you have been longing to know. But before we move on, please do not forget to like, to share, to comment, and to follow for more Igbo tips. Thank you very much. Let's move on. The first word for today is life. Life in Igbo language is ndo. Ndo. Say it after me. Say ndo. Beautiful. Ndo. The next word is death. The Igbo word for death is um. Say good. Death. The next word is compassion. Compassion in Igbo language is omiko. Say it. Yes, say it again. Omiko. Beautiful. So compassion is omiko. The next word is mercy. Mercy in Igbo language is ebere. Ebere. Say it. Beautiful. Ebere is mercy. The next word is joy. Joy in Igbo language is ọṅụ. Ọṅụ. Say ọṅụ. Good. Say it again. ọṅụ. Beautiful. The next word is long suffering. Long suffering in Igbo language is ogologo ntachi obi. Ogologo ntachi obi. Say it after me. Say ogologo ntachi obi. Beautiful. Ogologo ntachi obi. We also have the word perseverance. The word perseverance in Igbo language is ntachi obi. Ntachi obi. Remember the first one is ogologo ntachi obi, which is long suffering. But this one is perseverance, which is ntachi obi. Say ntachi obi. Beautiful. Ntachi obi is perseverance. The next word is comfort. Comfort. The word comfort in Igbo language is nkasi obi. Nkasi obi. Say nkasi obi. Beautiful. Nkasi obi. That is comfort. The next word is evil. Evil in Igbo language is ihe ọjọọ. Ihe ọjọọ. Say it after me. Good. Say it again. Ihe ọjọọ. Beautiful. So the word evil is ihe ọjọọ in Igbo language. Wickedness is omume ọjọọ. Wickedness is what? Omume ọjọọ. Say it again. Omume ọjọọ. Omume ọjọọ. Omume ọjọọ. Beautiful. Another word is love. Love. The word love in Igbo language is ịhụnanya. The word love in Igbo language is what? Ịhụnanya. Say it again. Good. Say it again. Ịhụnanya. Beautiful. You're doing well. Another word is hope. Hope in Igbo language is olileanya. Say olileanya. Beautiful. So hope in Igbo language is olileanya. Another word is grace. In Igbo language, grace is amara. 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 Grace of God. Amarachi. Grace of God. Amarachi. You can say God's grace. Amarachi. They are both the same thing. So grace in Igbo language is amara. So here brings us to the end of our lesson. Till next time. Bye. And before you go, do not forget to hit the like button, comment, share, and follow for more Igbo tips. Bye.